consultant, if they do delivery document customization, then only end user is going to do the delivery VL01 and outbound delivery. So that is why here delivery document customization as SD consultant, how he is going to do that you should know, because most of the questions for your SD exam or your S4HANA exam, majority of the question is coming from the delivery only. So that is why you should know this. See, delivery document. When you say delivery document or outbound delivery document, there is always with reference to the sales order. That means how much he ordered, that much you have to deliver. So what he has given a confirmed order, that much only you have to deliver. So that is why delivery document is always with reference to the sales order or a sales document. You can't create delivery directly. You have to create an order then delivery. And delivery needs shipping point. Without shipping point, delivery is not going to happen. And delivery needs a reference of the sales order, especially in the sales order, schedule and delivery date. In the sales order, you'll have a delivery date. And that day quantity is confirmed. That is very important. So that is why based on this, delivery is going to happen. That is why delivery is important stages is pick, pack, PGI. First, I'm going to show the delivery how is going to get by an end user. But structure of delivery document is header data, line item data. For that customer, for that material delivered. That is why it is called header data, line item data. Delivery header data is controlled by LF. Delivery line item data is controlled by delivery item category. And what is that? We'll see now. Now you see, I'll show you how the delivery is going to happen. Delivery is going to happen means you have to create a sales order. So go to VA01 here or sales order. So how much you ordered, that much you have to be delivered. So here, take an example here, PO number, here
Sir,
material.
you
So
share
you don't
screen.
share.
Screen is not shared, huh? Okay, 1 second.
Yes.
So now, practically, I'll show you how to create a sales order. So sales order will be created by using VA01. So VA01, enter. You have to give OR, then sales area. If you maintain CMIR, no need to maintain sales area here. Customer mental information record, if you maintain, no need to have sales area. Otherwise, you have to give sales area, must and should. So here customer number, here PO number, here material, I think BCN or BPL. So here I'll give the order quantity 2 or 3 you give. I press enter here and you click continue. So here you have to give the price for that customer, for that material, for that quantity. What is the price? So that is why you have to go to the condition. Here you have to go here. I think here N1 PR. I think okay. N1 PR. Here you have to give the 100. Enter. Okay, LUX. It is LUPR. Okay, that is taken. Schedule lines. This date is important. This is the date is given by the customer in the purchase order. Today is 10th. Material is available on 7th. That means 7 days he has given time. Purchase order given on 10th. 17th he want material. 17th he want material means 7 days gap is there. Within that 7 days, they have to procure, they have to manufacture, they have to pack, and they have to deliver to the customer place. So that is this is the date is given by the PO in the PO customer. On that day, material he needs plus how much he ordered, that much quantity also he needs. This is a confirmed quantity. On his set date, the quantity of his set quantity is confirmed. That is why it's called schedule and data. So here you go to edit, click incompletion log. Now once document complete, you can do the delivery. So here sales order is created. Now you have to do the delivery. Here /n VL01N, press enter. Here you have to give the shipping point. Shipping point is again here BPL is a shipping point. Shipping point is important for the delivery. This is end user. End user has to create a VL01N means background customization has to do. That customization I'm going to tell. So delivery needs shipping point, and delivery with reference to the order should happen means here in the date you have to give what is the sales order schedule and date, that is 17th. 17th quantity is confirmed. On that day only you have to do the delivery. So enter. So once you do this in the delivery, picking Picking from where? From the storage location. How much? How much you ordered, that much only you have to pick. So two ordered, two only you have to pick. Then you have to do the pack. Pack also I'll show you. Remind me anytime. I'll show you the packing, how the packing will be done. Because today I want to do the customization. So once pack is done, then you have to do the post good issue. You should never save the delivery. Delivery should not save. Delivery should not be saved. Delivery have to be PGI. Only one document in SD cannot be saved is delivery. You should not save the delivery. You have to do PGI. Now delivery created. This is as an end user is going to do this. So when end user is going to create this, the moment you do PGI, stock will reduce in the storage location. So how much is reduced, that much you have to make a bill. So when end user is going to create a delivery like this, backend, this is very important for your exam point of view, all exam point of view. SD or S4 or anything. So here, if you go to SAP reference IMG, all deliveries will be there in the logistic execution. Logistic general means production. Logistic execution means shipping, delivery, outbound delivery, everything, transportation and all. This is a same SD branch. Sales and distribution branch is logistic execution. Logistic execution is inside the SD only, but they bifurcate here. Delivery means logistic execution. So here you have to go here shipping tab. In the shipping tab you have to go to the deliveries. So I told you delivery is a structure of delivery is what? Structure of delivery is structure of delivery document is header data, line item data. Header data means it is controlled by the delivery document type LF. Line item data is controlled by delivery item category TAN. So here delivery document type LF control, that is a header control. So that is a delivery document type. How you have inquiry IN, quotation QT, standard order OR, like that. Delivery document type is LF. There are two types of delivery document type. LF means with reference to the sales order. LR means written delivery. So what is that? We'll see. So here delivery document type. So there's nothing but a delivery type. Click on this clock button. Here position LF. Select this. Copy as. So here you have to change the make it as a ZLF. Again here also delivery will have an internal number range and external number range. The moment you create a delivery and if you do PGI, you will get a delivery number at the end, that is called system generated number range, that is called internal number range. Delivery also you can make external number range, you can do manually delivery, no need system generation. You can create your delivery can be created manually. That is only for the one time customer or a once in a year will come. For that they'll maintain. That is also not advisable. That is there. So it control internal number range and external number range, and item increment will be there. In delivery, if you give one item, it will become 10, 20, 30 like that. Delivery always with reference to the sales order. Go and see in the OR, there is a LF is there. Go on here, you see in LF there is a sales order is there. Both are integrated. So that is why this you should know thoroughly. And here delivery means what? Outbound delivery means delivering the material from storage location to customer place. Where the material is stored in the storage location, from there only material is going to be delivered with a pick pack PGI. So that is why storage location is important. But in SAP, storage location rule is important. Without the storage location rule, any material cannot be moved in SAP. So rule is this is they'll ask in the exam. Any exam, SD exam or S4 exam. So the rule is number one, Mala. MALA. That means shipping point will be assigned to the plant. The shipping point assigned to the plant only. Inside the plant store location is there. Inside the store location material is there. That material is going to be shipped, delivered. That is why shipping point assigned to the plant. If the shipping point assigned to the particular plant, indirectly will be assigned to the storage location. In the storage location, material will be stored. That material will have a proper storage condition, that atmosphere control, freezing condition, manufacturing date, expiry date should not happen, anything should not damage. Like that, if you maintain a storage condition with atmosphere control, then you can deliver the material to the customer. If the shipping point not assigned to the plant, if the plant doesn't have a proper storage condition, then system never allow you to do the delivery. That is why shipping point plus plant plus storage condition is assigned, then only delivery is going to happen successfully from the store location to customer place, pick, pack, PGI. This will be done by people because plant is PP, store location is storage condition is shipping point is SD. So that is why it is done by people. But we should know. Then Rita. Rita means again plant. Plant means shipping point is understood. Shipping point doesn't to the plant. To that plant, in that plant, store location is there. The store location will have a proper storage condition, that is atmosphere control, freezing condition, and all. The same atmosphere control, what freezing condition, storage condition is maintained in the store location. It should be same situation should be there till the it reach to the customer place. That is called situation storage condition. How much you maintained in the store location, proper storage condition, everything and all, atmosphere control, same thing should be reached to the customer place. Even in the material goods in transit also, it should be maintained proper storage condition. That is why most of the export customers, when the metal is going to send from India to the other country, especially pharmaceutical items, the vegetables or a meat or any item, perishable items, when they're going to send the metal to the other country, they maintain proper storage condition, freezing condition. If anything happens, because if you go to the if the metal is going in a sea, if you go to the certain interior part of the sea, there is a salty weather is there, so corrosion effect will happen. It will get rust and all. It will create a problem. So that is why they should maintain proper freezing condition, atmosphere control from India to the other country. Otherwise, they will dump everything into the middle of the sea because they won't take, customer won't take. So that is why the RETA rule is very, very important. That is, what situation storage condition you maintain in the storage location, same thing should be maintained till it reach to the customer place. That is why it is called RETA. Clubbing of Mala and Rita is called Mare. This is only widely used rule. So they will use usually Mare only. So Mare is combination of Mala and Rita. See, delivering the metal is easy, but maintaining the proper freezing condition, atmosphere control till it reach to the customer place, that is very, very important. It should not damage in transit, should not get spoiled in between. The proper storage condition is not there. That is why storage location rule is very, 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 very important in the delivery. So that is why the delivery document type controls internal number range, external number range, sales order reference, storage location rule. Next, route is important. When the material is going deliver the material from store location to customer place, the route is important, whether it is a airways route or roadways route or seaways route. Any route, the route is important. That is why route is also very, very important. Then partner determination. Partner determination is who is receiving the goods. So that is why these controls are very, very important. So these controls are very, very important. So that is why in the exam, how they'll ask in the exam question means see like this. See, in the exam, they'll ask this question. In the exam, or even in the interview also, they will ask this question. So this is the question they will ask. 72. Yes, 72. What can you determine? What can you determine for the picking process, the delivery type level? Delivery type level means header level. Delivery type level means header level. See, delivery document, header data controlled by delivery document type LF. Just now I told you LF. Internal number range, external number range, store location is required. Sales order reference is required, like that. So that is why here they'll ask the question. So what can you determine for the picking process, the delivery type level? In delivery type level, to pick the material, what is important? That is nothing but a rule. See, they are not given
See,
storage location rule. Just they given rule is nothing but a rule. If, which storage location rule is used to determine the picking? That is a main rule. So that is why rule means storage location rule. So like this they will ask. So that is why in this screen, store location rule, sales order reference is also understood. Internal number and external number is understood. Store location rule and route determination is very, very important. These two things you should know thoroughly. Then only delivery is going to happen. Now next, delivery line item data. Delivery line item data is controlled by what? Delivery line item data is controlled by delivery item category. This is the delivery. item data. How do you know delivery? See, delivery is here. If you take delivery, you take a delivery, any delivery you take. So I'll take slash n VL02N. 2N is a create change mode. Here only you can see the things. So this is the delivery. This is the delivery we have done. So here, if you go to the top menu bar, go to here header. This is called delivery header data. See here, delivery header data. Then back, any material you double click in the document, that is called line item data. In the delivery, it is a line item data. Your item category is there. So that is why this delivery line item data is controlled by delivery item category. Sales item category is also TAN. Delivery item category is also TAN. So that is controlled by what? So here we have finished delivery document type. We have finished delivery document type. Now we have to go for a defined delivery item category. So in the defined delivery item category, delivery item category is must, because here in delivery, what is there here? Delivery item category is there. What all it controls? It controls mainly material. In delivery, who is a supreme hero? Material. So that is why that material is controlled by delivery item category. Okay, so delivery item category is TAN. So what is delivery item category? Delivery item category is item category for delivery, relevant for delivery. That's all. Pick, pack, PGI. So here in the real time, this also they're going to select and they'll do copy as. Again here, delivery document is controlled by what? In this screen, in your exam, SD exam or S4HANA exam, minimum 4 question, maximum 5 question. That is why delivery document type is scoring subject in your exam. See, delivery document, delivery item category, they'll copy as, they make it as ZTIN because it is SAP standard. So it controls check quantity 0. What is check quantity 0? See, in the store location, there are 100 quantity. 100 quantity you deliver to the customer, then store location will have only 0 quantity. So delivery item category control up to 0 quantity. It never go less than 0. What is less than 0 in SAP? In the store location, store location is maintained by people. 0 means positive. Less than 0 means the scrap material, rejected material, quality inspection is happened. It is not correct. So these are all kept as a scrap, rejected scrap. So that is called minus 0. So that is why delivery item category control up to check quantity 0. That is a 1. And delivery item category control minimum quantity. Customer is order 100. If you deliver 90, then it is a minimum quantity. So you are sending less. Customer is order 100. If you deliver 120, then it is a over delivery. So that also it will check. Where it will check? See the screen now. I'll create one delivery, then I'll show you. See, if you go to VA01, see thoroughly clearly, this is very important. This only in the implementation, they're going to do everything. So here, customer reference, here material. You take an example here. See, material order is, say, 10 quantity. If you delivered 8, it is a minimum quantity. If you deliver 20, then it's over delivery. So that is why enter. You see now. So double click on the material number, go to storage location. So here LUPR, enter. So now you go to the schedule lines. Here date is this, and you go to edit incompletion log. Now document complete. See order 10. Quantity is 10 is there. Confirm quantity is 10 is there. So now save. Now you see the delivery slash n VL01N. So here with respect to the order, delivery is going to happen means he ordered 10. So here end user what you will do? End user what you will do? You will remove this. You will make it as a 8. Then it is a minimum delivery, minimum quantity. Customer is ordered 10. Here you are given minimum quantity. Again you are give 8 here. So then what will happen? System will accept. You can do pack and PGA. System should not accept. 10 means 10 only should go. So that is why here what is there? Minimum quantity, over delivery, everything it will check. If it is a minimum quantity, it should give warning message or error message. It is customer is ordered 10. So 8 should not accept means warning message, error message should come. That is not there. See, in the same way, you see here, customer is ordered now 10. You give here, remove this and give 20. It is a over delivery. Double. See here, over delivery. See here, delivery with room to the order. Delivery is always here 2020 if you give and if you do PGI, then what is the point? Should not happen. It is not a delivery. There is no reference for the order. So that is why what they will do here, they'll inform to the ABAPer if customer is ordered 10, it should go 10 only. Otherwise, it will give warning message or error message. Warning message or error message. Error message means not, it will create an error only. It will never allow. So this has to be maintained. And if it is over delivery also, it will give a message. So this is important. So delivery item category control, check quantity is zero, minimum quantity over delivery. The one question on this. Just see how they will ask in the exam. One question in the exam. 3-mark question. It is not ordinary simple question. Delivery item category scoring subject. See now, when the delivery document is created, system can perform a check at the item level. Item level means delivery item level. There is a delivery item data. It's controlled by item category. So over delivery, zero quantity, minimum quantity, 3-mark question. Okay. Next, you see here another availability check. So where all availability check is maintained. This is availability check is here also. That means even 5 o'clock when you are going to do the delivery, 4:55 you can do the delivery availability check, stock check, and then do the deliver the material. That much freedom is there. Availability check you can do within 5 minutes, before 5 minutes also. Again here relevant for picking. The material is going to be delivered to the customer place means that material is relevant for picking. Then only you're picking here. Then only the end user can give the picked quantity there. If picked quantity here, if you want to give the picked quantity here, where is that? Yeah, here only. I'll show you now. See here. I'll take the things here. Take VL02N. See here. Here end user when is going to give the picked quantity here. In background here, relevant for picking should be there. Then only you can give the picked quantity. If it is not triggered, picking quantity cannot be happen. Delivery not going to happen. When it is relevant for picking from where? From the store location. The store location should be required. That is why you are going to enter the store location manually. Okay, when you are going to give the store location has to be determined. What is the store location rule determination? Mala, Rita, Mare. If that rule is there, then only it is relevant for pick, pack, PGI. So these three things are main for delivery. So again, for this 3-mark question, in the delivery also there is a 3-mark question. See the screen, how they will ask. So 2 questions over now. Now you see the third question. This is see here. Okay, sorry. See here it is there. 3-mark question. So I finished now 2 question. Now one is a delivery type level, delivery item category level, 3 questions. 2 questions. This is a third question. See how they will ask delivery item category control. See here. So delivery item category, which option is configured in the delivery item category? Packing control. Here, once it is relevant for packing, here packing control is there. Here pack is there, then only it's going to be pack. Can be packed, must be packed is there. So delivery item category, 1 mark question. So we have finished 1 mark question now. So there is a totally 3 questions over now. See another 4th question, you see how they will ask. So this is delivery item category controls. Clear? What all, which controls are available in delivery item category? All direct question only. So delivery item category control, picking relevant, availability check, and storage location. Determination store location. Determination store location is here. It's here. Determination store location is here. Next, relevant for picking. Picking relevant. So that is also there here. Picking relevant is there here. Then availability check is there here. So that availability check is here. Availability check off. 3 mark question. So that is why. So now how many questions? 4 questions over. Another one question is this: batch determination, delivery item category control, batch determination, correct or not correct, true or false, like that. So this is, so totally 5 questions they will ask in this. So that is why delivery item category is mainly controls the material delivery. Total material is going to be delivered. How much you ordered, that much you have to deliver, means material delivery only. So here check quantity 0, minimum quantity, over delivery. Then next, packing control, availability check, relevant for picking, store location required, determination store location, then automatic batch determination. So this is very important. So that is why in this screen you can expect 5 to 6 question minimum. Minimum 5 to 6 question. I given 5. Sixth question also I'll show you. So this is the one. So that is why delivery item category is very important. So delivery document LF control is over. Delivery item category TN control is over. Now already I sent to you the screens and fields. Just you have to go and observe what is a delivery item category control. See, I'll show you. See, I already sent to you. See, that is screens and fields. If you go to the screens and fields here, this is the screens and fields. See here, if you go here you have to see the screens. Only delivery item category controls and delivery document type LF control. See here. So we have finished. See here, delivery document type LF control. Here is a screen. Here is the control. Just observe that. Next, delivery item category control TN. Just now I told you. See the screen here. See that container. Check quantity 0. See here only you can expect five question minimum. 6 question is 100% okay. It will come. So this screen you should know thoroughly. If you know this, it's a very good sign. I'm telling you. Okay. Next, any doubt in this? All of you? All of you? Any doubt?
No,
So
sir.
what I'm telling is, if you are, I'll give 5 minutes time. If you want to go to your WhatsApp, otherwise your mail, go and see that screen. Only delivery document type LF screen, delivery item category screen. You just see that. You should know that screen. You feel like that. Okay. I'll give 5 minutes time. Please go ahead. I'll do stop share if you want. You can use the screen. Okay. Stop share. I do. Now you go and see the WhatsApp or mail, anything.
Done, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now you see, you should know the screen. Very important, because the questions, if you read, more than enough. But you should aware about that. These are all the screens are there in the delivery document. Only two screens. Okay. So now I'm going to do the other one. Okay. 1 second. So okay, I'll share the screen now. So next topic is, that is very important topic in the delivery document. That is delivery document. In the delivery document, the shipment scheduling is very important. So what is shipment scheduling? So shipment scheduling is the shipment scheduling or delivery and transportation scheduling. This is very important in the real time, and also exam point of view. Exam point of view also, around 2 to 3 questions, 3 4 questions will come. This is the one. This is a shipment scheduling. Shipment scheduling or delivery and transportation scheduling. In your book, shipment scheduling or delivery and transportation scheduling is there. So that you should know. First of all, what is shipment scheduling? See, scheduling you will understand. But what is the meaning of shipment exactly? A shipment means once metal is manufactured in the plant, declared as a finished goods, it will come and sit in the store location. When it is coming and sit in the store location is maintained by people. So their metal has to sit means in the store location, the quantity and value should be updated. How much the metal they manufactured, 100 quantity they manufactured, and 100 quantity they declared as a finished good from the production department. Parallelly, they should give the costing value for that. Once the material quantity and the costing value is updated, then only metal is accommodated in the store location. Once metal is stored in the store location with the quantity and value is updated, then only metal is ready for the shipment. Simply you are not going to pick and pack PGI. Background there is a shipment scheduling is there. And for that, what is shipment? Any metal, I'm talking about the big company, big cargoes, big shipments I'm talking. So that is only in your book it is there. So that is shipment means shipment means once metal is stored in the store location, quantity and value is updated, then only metal is ready for the shipment. Okay, quantity value is updated, metal will be stored in the store location, ready for the shipment. Simply you can't do the ship the material. There is a scheduling is there is a terms and condition is there. First, material should be available. How do you know metal is available or not? Stock check MMBE. Once metal is available, what is next? You have to do pick and pack. After pick and pack, you have to load it. After that only you are going to do PGI. See, in your outbound delivery, you have seen picked quantity, pack is there, PGI is there. Before PGI, loading should be there. So that is inside the things only, shipment scheduling. So that is why this metal availability date is coming. Material availability means availability check. This is coming from where? This is coming from your stock check. If you go to /n MMBE and enter here, if you give the material, my material is BPL. It is situated in the, it is inside the storage location. There is a plant. Again, sorry, this is not good. BPL. Again, in the store location, BPL is there. So plant and store location, this is the material. If you execute now, now you see the stock is available or not, you will come to know. Stock is there or not a particular day. See, now stock is there. 118 stock is there on the particular day. So that is called metal loaded date. Then pick pack date, loading date coming from where? Once the metal is available, now you are going to pick and pack and load. That is coming from where? That is coming from your enterprise structure, that is shipping point. So if you go to /, these are all interview questions plus exam question. So here, if you go to the enterprise structure, if you go to enterprise structure here definition, here if you go to the logistic execution, Here, if you go to the define shipping point, if you go to the define shipping point, you take shipping point. You take my shipping point only. My shipping point is BPL. Take an example, your shipping point BPL. When you double click on the shipping point, here you see pick pack time, loading time coming from where? It's coming from the shipping point. Then only metal is going to be shipped. Shipping point is not an ordinary one. It has got a various responsibilities. So that is why pick pack time, loading time coming from the shipping point. Interview question, exam question. Then goods issue date coming from where? PJ date. PJ date coming from the sales order schedule and data. In the sales order schedule and data only, material is the delivery date will come. You go to VA02 and you enter here. It is already there opened. Yeah, this I'll go on this. Here only go to the document flow. Here only you can see the delivery. See here, if you go here, if you double click on the material number, if you go to the schedule line, this is a PJ date. So that is why you should know PJ date coming from the sales order schedule and date. Then customer request date coming from where? It's coming from the PO. So this is an interview question. First they will ask, what is shipment scheduling? Shipment scheduling, you have to say material date, pick pack date, loading date, goods issue date, then goods in transit. After PGA, the customer keeps on calling, then you can tell goods in the transit is on the way. Then only it reaches to the customer request date. That means customer request date means customer place. That is coming from the PO. These are all the questions they will ask in the exam. See, material date, how they will ask, you see the question, how they will ask in the exam. See how they will ask material date. Based on which of the following date is availability check is carried out? Indirectly, availability check. Availability check is mainly for material availability date. Whether metal is available or not on that day only you are going to do the availability check. See availability check question has come. Now they'll ask shipment scheduling around 5 to 6 question. Again here you see 94 I think. 94 or 90, yeah this one. 94 or 90. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. See here. Which of the following element directly determines the loading time? They'll give pick pack time and loading time found in the delivery and transportation scheduling. The pick pack time, loading time coming from the shipping point. So two questions over. So that is why these are all very important. So now shipment scheduling. So shipment scheduling, you got it now. Now they'll ask this shipment scheduling where we can see shipment scheduling can be seen in the sales order schedule and data. See here, when you click schedule and data, if you go to the shipping tab, see here, metal date, metal date. After that, loading means before that pick pack is understood. Then goods date, delivery date. This is called shipment scheduling. They will ask in the interview where we can see the shipment scheduling. First, they will ask what is shipment scheduling. You will tell metal date, pick pack date, loading date, goods date, PJ date, and then customer request delivery date. Then they will ask where we can see this shipment scheduling. If you say sales order schedule and shipping tab, you'll be happy. Next, this also in the exam they will ask. Next, they will ask middle date coming from where? Availability check. Simply tell availability check. Pick pack date, loading date coming from where? Shipping point. Goods date coming from where? Sales order schedule and data. Customer date coming from where? PO, from the purchase order. That's all. This was shipment scheduling. But here, shipment scheduling will have two types. What is the shipment scheduling? Two types. One is forward shipment scheduling, another is a backward shipment scheduling. What is forward shipment scheduling? What is backward? The forward or backward or eastward or any word. First is metal available, then only forward shipment, backward shipment will happen. So metal date, then pick pack date, loading date, which this is common. The forward or backward, this is common. If the customer gives the delivery date, then it is a backward shipment scheduling. Customer will give the delivery date in the purchase order. In the purchase order, will mention this is the date I want metal at any cost. So that time It is a backward shipment scheduling. Imagine 6th January you want material. 6th January you want material means he's in Delhi. Plant is in Bangalore. From Bangalore to Delhi, metal has to reach to the customer means minimum it will take 2 days in the truck. So 6th you want metal means you have to do 4th you have to do PGI. Before that, you have to load it. Before that, you have to do pick and pack. Before that, the metal should be available. This is called backward shipment scheduling. Backward shipment scheduling means when the customer gives the delivery date, in your mind, when you want the material. So 6th January. 6th January, metal should be in his premises means that is coming from the PO. For 2 days, it needs to reach to the customer place. So you should keep in mind, you should go backward. 6th you want metal means 4th you want material. This is called backward shipment scheduling. So that is why backward shipment scheduling means delivery date is must. Then only backward scheduling will happen. Forward shipment scheduling, customer never give the delivery date. If you go to the quantity contract and value contract and all, there is a 1 year contract is there. Otherwise, some customer they're telling no, we are given 1 year contract. You supply whenever you want. Otherwise, customer is not giving order. Some customers are there. No problem, we'll give the purchase order. You can supply whenever you want. That time it is a forward shipment scheduling. Your Amazon, Flipkart, all those are all forward shipment scheduling. You can't Amazon and Flipkart people you can't tell no I want metal at any cost I want metal after 2 days means you will say okay you never bother also. You never take that order also. So that is why the customer never give the delivery date, then it is a forward shipment scheduling. The customer give the delivery date, then it is a backward shipment scheduling. So that is why backward shipment scheduling means it is date is important. So that is why this is important. Now you see, I'll create one sales order. You tell me whether it is a backward shipment scheduling or a forward shipment scheduling. I'll create one sales order now. Enter year 502, here PO number, here material, PPL, here quantity 2. Press enter here. Double click on the material number. If you go to schedule lines, now you tell me 17. This is a forward shipment scheduling or backward shipment scheduling? Anyone?
Back, backward.
No?
Backward.
Little speak little louder.
Backward.
It is a backward shipment scheduling. Why? What is the date today? Today is the 10th. When is the material is
Yeah.
available? 17th. 17th you want
70.
material. Where he has given that date and all in the purchase order. So that is why here what we'll do in the sales document type or there is a main for creating a sales order. You go to VOV8, that is a sales document. VOV8. You go to the sales document type. If you go to the OR, that is order. In the order, you will give 7 days time. See here, you given 7 days time here. See here, 7 days time is there. Today is the 10th. Today is given purchase order. 17th you want material. 17th only in sales order schedule line. Confirm quantity is there. That means 7 days he has given time. 10th to 17th, 7 days. So 7 days means you have to procure, purchase, manufacture everything. It should be in premises of 7th. So that is why it is called what? It is called
Backward.
backward shipment scheduling. Here what will
Yes.
happen? Sometimes sometimes it will happen. Customer has given order. You are going to manufacture. So, but when they are going to manufacture, suddenly machinery breakdown. Employee met with an accident when they're going to produce, or employee go for a strike for bonus. That time, customer what he has given order as for a set date, you can't deliver the material. Machinery breakdown. Employee strike. Another 1 month. No factory open. Plant open. That time what will happen? Backward shipment scheduling fails. That means here the date will come, your confirm quantity will become 0. Again, system will give one more date, that is 21st or 22nd. Here it will become 22nd. Here confirm quantity will come. So backward scheduling fails means forward scheduling will happen, and the second line schedule line will give the delivery date and confirm quantity. Then you can do the delivery. So here what will happen? Show must go on. Sales order cannot, backward scheduling fails means sales order cannot be stopped. Immediately system will give the one more date, forward scheduling will happen, then sales order will happen. Even today, if I'm not teaching properly also, tomorrow If you inform to the Delphi people, they'll source another trainer. Your training never stops. That is called show must go on. That means sales order backward scheduling fails also, forward scheduling will happen, system will give the one more date and confirm quantity will show, then delivery billing will happen. That is why this is called shipment scheduling. Very very important, shipment scheduling. So this shipment scheduling, minimum you can expect 4 to 5 questions. See how they will ask. See the screen now. Hmm. Which of the following statement regarding delivery and transportation scheduling are correct? So delivery transport scheduling is transportation lead time, pick pack time, loading time, transit time. These are all correct. Pick pack, loading time, transit time, everything is there in the shipment scheduling. Transportation lead time means starting time. Okay, this is correct. Next, when the request delay date cannot confirm with the backward scheduling, order still can be saved. When the request delay date cannot confirm with the backward scheduling means backward scheduling fails also, forward scheduling will happen, order still can be saved. So A and D. Next, another question. You see how the question they will ask. See, I shown you already. This is the one. This is 96. See here. Which of the following element directly determines the loading time? Pick pack time, loading time coming to the shipping point. So 2 questions over. Material date check I given already. I shown you. 3 questions over now. Next, see another question. And one more thing. Shipment scheduling is not going to happen for cash sales and rush sales. Cash sales means what? Cash and carry. Same day you want material, everything and all. There is no shipment scheduling for cash sales and rush sales. Customer give the delivery date. Then only it is a shipment scheduling. So next another question is here. This is the one. See here. Which time element include in the backward shipment scheduling? Backward shipment means loading time and transit time. That is why this is very important. See, middle date, pick pack date, loading time, loading date, both are same. Here, goods date, here, goods in transit. Once you do PJ, till it reach to the customer place, it is the goods in transit. So that is why this is very, very important. Next, so these are 2 more questions. The next question is this. This one. What are the source time component that is used for the delivery and transport scheduling? Here, shipping point. In shipping point only pick pack time is there. Then route. Route is there. Route is important. Plant is not necessary. Plant is for manufacturing. It is not for the shipment scheduling. Next, loading group. Loading time is there. Loading group is not there. Loading group is nowhere connected. Loading time. Loading means loading time, not loading group. That is why shipping point and route. That where we can see, if you click here, if you go to the shipping tab, so here shipment scheduling is there. Here only see shipping point and route is there. This is the correct answer. So that is why here very important this question. 6 questions. I think around 6 questions will be there. 6 questions. Shipment scheduling. That is why delivery item category and the shipment scheduling put together is around 11 to 12 questions. That is why I have taken today evening. These questions are very important. The screens are important. If you read this, I'll send the documents to you people. You have to read this. Okay. I'll stop up to this. Tomorrow morning, I'll take as usual 7:30. I'll take. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. See you.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
So
you, sir.
any doubt you can ask me. We'll discuss. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll see tomorrow. We'll discuss. Okay.
Yes, sir.